Let me show you how to close all of the open apps on your iPhone if you wanted to close them one by one or close them all super quickly. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is if you have an app currently open, or if you're on the home screen, you can pull up all of the currently open apps by taking your finger from the bottom and swiping up and then over to the right. You'll be able to see this shows all of the currently open apps. Now, unfortunately, there's no one button to close all of them, but if you take your finger and swipe up on that app, it closes it. However, you might have tons of apps that are currently open. So a quicker way to be able to do this is to use 3 fingers. I can swipe up using 3 fingers, and then you'll be able to see it will close out of those all a lot quicker. Unfortunately, there's no one close all button. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.